y'all, so today's review is gonna be on a product by the company Unice. I actually ordered this on the 11th of this month, November, and I want to say it came like, what day did this come? Like 15th, 16th, one of those days. I'll insert it somewhere in here to show y'all when it got delivered. So I went ahead and took it out the packaging because I was trying to make sure that this was what I thought it was. But and it looks like I trashed the other piece because I was like super excited. At first I wasn't gonna do a review, but then I was like, I think I should let y'all see what it's like. So I ordered this hair from the company Unice. It did have like a little pink slip thing on it, I don't know, but yeah. So the box looks like this. And then on the back it just has like basically telling you how to care for the hair and like any remarks like never use too much heat on your hair. If you want to dye it, we highly recommend to let a professional dye the hair. Dye hair is at your own risk. Basically, do not cut the weft because you can get shedding, and if you do, seal your wefts. So basically stuff we already know. So let's go ahead and open her up. My bad, y'all. Alright, so let's try to listen. Okay, so if y'all can see, so it came with this little weaving cap. It's got like this stuff on the back of it or whatever. And then here are my bundles.
I got bundles, baby.
Alright, so I ordered 3 bundles in a 16 because like I'm not sure if I want to cut this into like an asymmetrical bob or what I want to do, and I don't want like stripper hair.
I got stripper hair. I got stripper.
So yeah, so this is what it looks like when you first get it. It says Isonu or whatever. It's got the little information to tell you about it there. I don't know if y'all can see the little pattern that's in it. So it's got a little rubber band, so let's go ahead and pop that open if I can get it. Alright. Oh, just to show y'all, we got 3 bundles. 1, 2, 3. So all 3 bundles. They're all in a 16-inch too, by the way. So take it out the pack. So it looks just like this with the little netting, and then it like tells you a little bit about it. Human hair. So it kind of smells like baby wash, like Johnson & Johnson's baby, but it's got a pretty cute, y'all ignore that, that's makeup, it's been a long day, but it's got like a pretty cute curl pattern to it or whatever. So let's go ahead and, oh, I gotta take this little gold thing off. All right, hold on. Alright, so I'm gonna adjust this camera so I can see me just a little bit. Just a little bit. Alright, so I hope this is like a little bit better so y'all can see me. But so yeah, so it looks like this straight out the packaging. It's got a nice like luster about it. So just running my hands through it a couple times for y'all. Like, I'm not getting any like fallout hair. Is really soft, okay? I mean, it doesn't smell weird or anything like that. So that's pretty nice. And then the bundle's pretty thick too. Like, you get a nice amount of, you know, some hairs in here. And even though I'm like running my fingers through, like, I'm still not getting any shedding. It's like super smooth and soft. And like, it's still retaining its shape. Like, I'm gonna get a little aggressive with this hair. I don't know what y'all might be doing. Y'all might get aggressive. Y'all might get into a little fight. Somebody might tug on your hair a little bit, flip it around. Maybe in the club, popping. That's something. So you need to know how your hair gonna hold up. So you don't flat iron or anything. Like, it fall back. Like, I mean, it's a little fluffier, but I mean, nothing a little product can't fix. But I mean, I like it so far. It's got their little cute little label on it or whatever. And like I said, the bundle's pretty thick, and they all are thick like that. So I feel like I shouldn't have any problems with this. What I plan to do with this hair is, excuse me, y'all, let me adjust this again. So I plan on making like, well, basically either sewing or like a U-part closure. So that's probably what I'm gonna do with this hair. I'm gonna insert some photos so y'all can like see it up close in person now. But yeah, so if y'all want to see what I do with this hair next, stay tuned, subscribe, get your girls notifications. And yeah, so I got a lot of stuff in store for y'all, so keep watching my channel, keep supporting your girl. Sorry I haven't posted in a little minute. And the last video I did, I had like some technical issues going on with copyright laws and stuff, so I have to kind of like rework my situation. But I'm definitely gonna be bleaching this hair, so definitely stay tuned for that. I don't know, like, I wear a lot of blonde, but like this right here is kind of like that golden kind of like honey blonde-ish color or something. Like, it's not too platinum, but I might do this hair platinum or see how far I can take it without it looking crusty. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this. Comment, like, subscribe, share to all your homies, and let me know if y'all want me to try like some other hair, some other brands and stuff. And if y'all do, like, I might have stuff like, y'all, I have boxes of stuff here, so I kind of need to try this stuff anyway. So let me know. I'll order some stuff. Holidays is coming. You know, your hair needs to look right, and you need that get right. So let me know. Until then, peace.